Hello everyone, my name is Janelle Moore, Graduate Assistant for the NSU Institutional Review Board, and in this video, I will be demonstrating how to enroll in the CITI program courses. Since I have already demonstrated how to sign up for CITI program, I am already on the enrollment page. This page will ask a series of questions that will enroll you in the two recommended courses, Social and Behavioral Research and Conflicts of Interest. There are 10 questions in this section. Questions number 1 and 6 entails the recommended courses. Therefore, for question number 1, go ahead and select Social and Behavioral Research Investigators. And for question number 6, go ahead and select Yes. If you scroll to question 9, you will notice that it includes a variety of webinars that you can review. This question is not required, but we encourage you to read through the list and choose at least 2 that are applicable to you for reviewing. Again, this is optional. You may leave the remaining questions unanswered, and to submit your responses, scroll to the bottom of this page and click Submit, which will navigate you to the CITI program courses you previously selected. You will notice the 2 courses that you are enrolled in. When you are ready, go ahead and select Start Now to complete the required materials for each course. You do not have to complete the material in one sitting. You can leave the CITI program and your progress will be automatically saved. If you have any questions about this process, please contact the NSU IRB office via email or phone, and we will help you in any way that we can.